Manipur Langakna state asida hojik leftana sandorokliba coronavirus thingba ngamdre thingnana bhonabagi mahutta Langak asi karigumba kharada thabak chinduna leire haina Congress ki Manipur in charge Bhakta Sarandas na marasi kre Manipur MPCC ke President Govindas Konthok Jomgaloinana party ki MLA ani resign tawduna sasan pariba BJP da yawgodore haiba report phangwadagi ngarang Bhakta Sarandas MPCC manungda oirakliba rajniti ki phibam yengsinanabagi tambak Imphal da thunglakibani Manipur gumba missing yamdaba apikpa state amada Langakna afaba thorang sung thoksil paikhat lamba tarabadi coronavirus laina laichet asi tha ahum mari gi mamangda thingba ngamlomgani haina Bhakta Sarandas na Congress Bhavan da pangthokpa press briefing amada phongdoki mioi lakh kontra fadana laiba Manipur da vaccine kapa testing tawba amasung fibam laksin bada state asigi laingak na khoijangdre hotpo honarabadi Manipur miyam loinamak vaccine kapthokpa nahana losinba yarabani laingak asina sigumba khongthang lokhotpada thinthanduna leire haina Congress ki lusingba asina phongdoki Manipur COVID-19 maram oidna sikiba imung singda finance and package amata piba leitri center na hojikti COVID patient oxygen ward padagi siba leitri haragasu Manipur oxygen ward padagi sikiba yamna leire rims amasung jenims ta ventilator leite haina su Sarandas na phongdoki Manipur hojik oriba COVID ki phibam asi yamna phatre haraduna Prime Minister Narendra Modi na state asida orakliba phibam asi thoidokna pungning changba tawde haina mahakna makha taki nakalam romda nedagi chairman chu oriba Assam ki chief minister Himanta Biswa Sarma na MPCC ki president Govindas Konthok Jamjauna Congress ki MLA ahum Delhi da puduna BJP ki national leader singh gi mifam pangthokton unaba hawkre MLA ahum adudi thangwai bangi mihut KS Joy Kishan Suknu Kendragi K Ranjit amasung Cycle Kendragi yamthang hawkif
We are meeting our different segments. Yesterday we met the CLP members. There were around more than 12 MLAs were present, and today we have met all our general secretaries, ex-MLAs and vice president, and we are going to meet all frontal wing today because we are simultaneously preparing for the election also, and preparation for the election has begun since yesterday. And in 7 days we will wind up all the roadmap for the next 2022 election.
Assam da Lalholof National Liberation Front of Boroland NLFB ki member sing lupasagi luching ba yauna ngasi state adugi chief minister Himanta Biswa Sarma da surrender tawragani hari M Bathana luching ba NLFB asi NDFB gi dagi masoi takhiba singna nauna semkibani English aniga kungi January da ahum suba Boro Peace Accord sahi tawrakraba matungda NDFB dagi masoi taduna M Bathana NLFB asi linkhat kibani lubasi maruena Boroland Territorial Region BTR da active oibani NLFB bahusagi punsida hanjilakna ba lawrakliba khongthang asina lainga ki policy singda laibak miyamna thajaba thamli habisi takle haina chief minister Sarmana Twitter da phongdoki Assam laingakna BTR mapung phana chawkhat hanabagi chap chaba firep lei amasung Boro miyam gi leijariba samas amasung rajnitik oiba saktam kahendana thamgani haina bahagna makhatana haikhi On duty da sok apan nangkiba BDF partner amada sel gi tengbang pikre hawkiba July 3 ki ahingda Imphal West ki reserve line da posting taba oinam sana jawba sana laibak presta duty tawba loiraga halakpada nongyai pung 12 muk taba da accident thokibani Oinam sana jawba pisumthong oinam laikai laremi maningdagini Imphal West ki SP Dr S Ibomcha Singh gi miteng makhada Imphal West District BDF Welfare Association gi fundagi selfum adu khusinakibani hairi amuko amasung yuko bit ki lamjing makhada lengkhatpa Bisnupur District COVID-19 Task Force ki volunteer singna sinduna nauna containment zone lauthokraba ningthaukhong ward number 2 amasung ward number 8 ki yumthong singda sangduna Department of Ayush na piba homeopathy ki hidak mapung phana yenthokpangam khre hairi Kakching District pu COVID-19 free ohenabagi pandamda All Manipur United Clubs Organization amuko gi mit engmakhada Kakching District United Club Organization ka duko na sinduna wabagai bazar da ngasi su mass vaccination program ama pangthokre thoramasi card wabagai amasung lamkhai lairembe club LLC ga khusamnaduna pangthokibani program asi makha sathagibani hairi Kumbi Municipal Council Ward number 6 da laingaki akanba drive amagi makhada Mass COVID-19 test tawbada miyoi 12 positive oiba thengnakraba matungda KS Nabakumar Singh member ICR Society New Delhi na COVID-19 positive oiba imung singda natana laikai aduda leiba total curfew na maram oidna awaba mayak nariba miyoi singda tengbang gi polam sing yenthokre mass testing aduda achoba thodang laukiba club sing amadi medical staff sing loinana volunteer oikiba miyoi punamakusu Nabakumar na thagatpa phongdokhi Selin Digital amadi NR Media na leftana satharakpa COVID-19 awareness program ngarang it kumai manungda Haingang Assembly constituency ki manung chanba kairang dasu pangthoki loinana miyam da face mask su yenthoki tharomadu da Fanjubom Lenajit Singh producer Selin Digital na orakliba COVID-19 ki fibam asida miyam hupna wakal tamina bachangi section bagal loinana COVID vaccine kaptoktuna SOP ningthina ngakminaduna mahosagi punsida hanjilakna bahona minasi haiki Thauramadu TS Badal Maitai CEO Selin Digital amadi NR Rajesh Proprietor NR Media su sarugyaki NACNIM amasung NNPGS ki luchingba singsu Israel na puthokpa spyware Pegasus na target toromba yai haina The Wire gi report amana hairi NACNIM gi makok thongba luchingba kaya gi phone number sing Pegasus na target tauki haiba list adu ta yauri spyware asi English ingani ga tara ga taret tagina English ingani ga tara ga mapan phawgi matamda NACNIM gi makok thongba luchingba kaya target toromba yai hairi NACNIM gi luchingba sing adudi Atem Basom Apam Muiwa Anthony Ningkham Simre amasung Phungthing Simrangni NNPGS Naga National Political Group Convener and Kitovi Jimu Misu Hariba Spyware Asina target tawbada yaromba yai hari panbayabadi NACNIM gi luchingba Atem Basumasi Luvasigi Chairman TS Muiwa gi mahut silaba yai haina thajanari bani Manipur Technical University MTU gi temporary vice chancellor gi post hapa yaninge haina MSU MSF Desam KSA Suk amadi AMS na Manipur ki Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah memorandum ama piduna taksin khroi mahiroi singi loop taruk asina punna sahi tauba memorandum aduna high professor Laikrakun Tombi Singh ase Manipur Laingakna selection committee ki recommendation amata yaudana MTU gi ahanba vice chancellor oina hafkibani khongthang asi MTU Act 2019 gi mayokta Lokhat Kibani, Mahakna Ihan Hana BC Oina Tho Puba Matamda complaint kya laki loinana regular teaching amasung non teaching staff lobui muhuta Mahakna contract appointment oina oza loki haina memorandum aduna palle Mahaku temporary BC oina hapa habasi Shenza Thumja amasung Michang Mikhai Naiba Thosil Sathabani amadi Masi MTU Act amasung UGC gi guidelines sing khongauna bani maramasina Professor Laikrakun Tombi asi amuk hanna university asida lakhandana ba Thaurang Lakhot Piu haina memorandum aduna governor da taksili